We are working on a bottleless future. A future where people don't buy, transport, and throw away plastic bottles anymore because they can access to pure water in a much better way. Introducing Nano. A smart, ultra-energy efficient, and highly environmentally friendly solution to get pure hot, room, and cold temperature water. For a drink, just touch the illuminated glass surface, where our innovative slider lets you control the volume. Nano provides you crystal clear water at the temperature you need, the moment you need it. The heart of Nano is a high-power flow-through heater, which only uses energy while dispensing water. This is the most advanced heater technology, far ahead in efficiency than other solutions. For cold water, we've designed a compact and quiet system where a thermoelectric unit cools down isolated water to the adjusted temperature. Nano can track and learn your water consumption habits and switch on the cooling system only when needed. We ship Nano with a high-end water filtration system. This can produce up to 5,700 liters of crystal clear water. The all-in-one structure is highly efficient, compact, and very easy to change. The smart system allows you to track water consumption, set up goals, get notifications when filter changes are necessary, and manage the semi-auto self-cleaning process. With multiple device management, you can control all your water coolers from one interface. Order cartridges and other accessories fast and easy. The focus of our design was to make a compact and beautiful device that easily fits in every environment. A device that gives a highly environmentally friendly access to pure water at the temperature of your needs, keeping energy consumption and space to a minimum. Nano is just like the water it dispenses. Simple, clean, and part of our everyday life.
If we're lucky, most of us can take water for granted. Turn on the tap and there it is. But what if that changed? Hurricanes, earthquakes, all sorts of other disasters, natural or man-made, can leave us vulnerable. Water is vital to survival. Emergency prep kits should have 3 days of drinking water per person. But if you need more, what can you do for safe drinking water? Would you be prepared for a disaster? An emergency? A desperate situation? Even if that desperation is just about getting in touch with nature. Whether you're prepping an emergency kit or going for a hike, Puriso is an easy-to-use and dependable water purification system that's an important yet inexpensive investment to make. The Puriso Water Purification Bottle filters and purifies water by removing a variety of contaminants, bacteria, protozoan cysts, and particulates, and it reduces viral, chemical, and heavy metal content. Simply place the bottle's inlet into the fresh water source and pump. Water is drawn through the hollow fiber membrane and carbon filter, resulting in purified water. Close off the inlet, flip it over, unscrew the pump handle, and sip directly from the 410 milliliter purified water reservoir. Contaminated water never enters this chamber. Or save in a separate bottle so you can purify even more water. The replaceable filter can process up to 1,000 liters. The Puriso Water Purification Bottle is great for hiking, emergencies, and for travel to places where you might not be so sure of the local water quality. With the funds we raise from our Kickstarter campaign, we'll be able to complete the final steps needed in bringing Puriso to market.
So we asked ourselves, why do we have to buy bottled water that comes from halfway around the world? Why can't there be a sustainable, easy way to make water at home? Everyone already has virtually unlimited water delivered directly to your home through your tap.
And that's why we teamed up with LaVie to create the rOcean One.
It's an all-in-one smart device that filters, flavors, and carbonates your water straight from the tap, seamlessly integrating with your home, saving you time and money.
Whether you like your water fizzy, peach pear flavored, enhanced with electrolytes, or just fresh and clean, you'll be able to customize every glass to your preference.
Our patent-pending flavor pods are dishwasher safe. So no more plastic waste, just tons of convenience. Our sub-micron carbon block filter is environmentally friendly and filters out over 75 contaminants. That's 15 times more effective than those pitcher-based water filters.
The rOcean One is compatible with any cup or bottle, and it can be controlled from the device or an app, as well as through Google Home or Amazon Alexa.
Hey Google, make flavored water.
Flavored water coming right up.
And because it's smart, filters, pods, and CO2 replacement tanks can be automatically delivered to your door before you ever run out. On a good day, we want to bring you a smarter way to water. But on our most ambitious days, we want to help set something much bigger into motion. A chain reaction that starts with you. For us, for our oceans, and for our world 30 years from now.